In British, we say football. In American English, we say soccer. Lorry, truck, fuel, gas, autumn, fall, torch, flashlight, tap, faucet, postcode, zip code, motorway, highway, caravan, trailer. Formal versus informal English. Informal versus formal English. Live, reside, help, assist, begin, commence, finally, eventually, stop, cease, but, however, let back, relaxed, keep, preserve, put in, insert. In British, we say lorry. In American, we say truck. Sweets, candy, biscuit, cookie, jumper, sweater, aubergine, eggplant.